Legends of Learning presents the Smoothie Solver game. This is a math game that makes learning about fluently adding or subtracting within 1,000 fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, introducing Smoothie Solver, an exhilarating educational action puzzle game that will have students mastering addition and subtraction within 1,000 in no time. Set in a vibrant, whimsical kitchen, this smoothie-making adventure combines the thrill of fruit slicing gameplay with the creative fun of concocting delicious smoothie recipes. Smoothie Solver is an unforgettable arithmetic journey that challenges the player to slice fruits, blend ingredients, and build cups to create the perfect smoothie while unlocking their math potential. With 3 exciting levels packed with engaging puzzles, students will immerse themselves in a captivating and interactive environment, mastering place values, properties of operations, and the relationship between addition and subtraction. Use the mouse to click on different numbers to complete the math questions to create smoothies. Have fun and enjoy playing.